an exciting morning, that's to say the least. Had a few bucks come in. We're back at this stand location that we hunted. I think, was this the first stand we hunted on? Mm-hmm. Yeah, first stand we hunted in here. We hunted it twice before today. We had a couple of really good morning sets. But the reason we came in here is because this is the pinch point that we've been getting photos of what we are now calling, since Owen gave us the name, the Junkyard Dog. And he is an absolute dog of a whitetail. We've been getting a lot of photos of him the last couple days, and finally got a daylight photo of him. Good buck, mainframe 9 with some extras. Just a junky buck, so we like that. We will take that. I'm pretty sure this morning, right off rip, we had a couple bucks come in. This one older buck, probably a 4-year-old or something, was snort wheezing over at this 2 or 3-year-old. Well, in the background, I could hear some other snort wheezes. I looked up at Shay. I'm like, dude, it could be him. And sure enough, I looked through the branches. It's too tough to see through all this stuff. But it did look like the Junkyard Dog, and he took that doe right across and back in, deeper into this draw. So I've mentioned it when sitting this stand before that I love the pinch point of this stand, but I think that I'm a little bit off of where all these deer are staying. I think all the does, since past mornings, we've watched them all go that direction in the morning. I'm pretty sure that the majority of the buck movement's going to be down there. But with that being said, they're still going to be cruising these points, looking for does, going back and forth from farm to farm, neighbors and neighbors. So corn's starting to come out. You guys can probably hear it in the background. It's nice. It's going to make hunting this farm a lot easier because there's a lot of destination ag on it. But Shay and I are going to get down. We've got another wind switch today. It's weird. Every day the wind's switching. But we've got some south winds coming, and I really want to get a set closer to this timber. I've mentioned it multiple days in the past. I just need to get my butt over there and do it. So we're going to pop out of here. Maybe even check a card on a couple cameras that we haven't been getting service on. Quick little photo reel if we have any biggins, and then we'll catch back up with you when we're in the tree. So. There comes that buck, top of the hill. Careful. Oh, dude, the drop right now. That buck. Shane, drop that buck. On the right, on the right, on the right. On the decoy. was probably the coolest encounter I've ever had with a single deer ever. I've hunted with a decoy in the past, but I've hunted spots that have had multiple does, way too many does. And, man, it just, they always blew at it, but it doesn't seem like there's as many does around here. Maybe the standing corn's just keeping them less visible. But, gosh, we have been getting some awesome encounters with these bucks. I mean, he's Snort Wheeze probably, Shane are talking 20 times? No. At least a dozen of 20 times. It's crazy. And he's, I mean, I don't know what else to say. That was freaking sweet. He was rubbing this tree, making it straight down here, and we were shaking back and forth. Oh, dude, you can't make that up. Couldn't have written it any better. So, I'm pumped. We're excited. Got about 30 minutes left. We'll see, but the thing we're taking away from tonight is I think there's definitely a bedding area in between where we were sitting, which is straight west this morning, and where we are, it's probably about a quarter mile in between. I think there's some kind of bedding area in between, but a lot of these deer seem to be cruising this creek. It is definitely the funnel for this farm, this creek. So that stand over there sets up perfect for a northwest wind. It's right in between bedding areas. We've been listening to bucks chasing does all night on this ridge, right to our south. So I'm pretty confident that it's a good play to get in there for tomorrow morning. I'm pretty excited about it. And morning can't come soon enough, so hopefully we'll see some more deer. But I am okay with ending it